Photoshop is an image creation, graphic design and photo editing software developed by Adobe. The software provides many image editing features for pixel-based images, raster graphics, and vector graphics. Photoshop is instrumental in crafting website layouts, designing elements, and optimizing images for the web. Designers can seamlessly transition from concept to creation, utilizing the software to produce mockups and prototypes that define the user interface landscape. If you don't see the tools bar when you open Photoshop, go to the window menu and select Show Tools. Toolbox Contents. Button icons represent each of the tools. The first tool that we are going to discuss is Selection Tool. The Selection Tool is used to create a selection of any object or image. This tool is considered as one of the essential tools of Photoshop. The Brush Tool works as a digital paintbrush. It basically works like a traditional painting tool. In Photoshop, designers get option of various brush tips to choose from. They can adjust their diameter, rotate the angle and can maintain the hardness and smoothness of the brush according to their requirements. The Spot Healing Tools works by automatically taking the samples from the surrounding area and then you can adjust the uneven skin with it. This is a not to skip tool and should be included in an ideal Photoshop course for photographers. We try other tools. In second part, thank you.